This tutorial shows you how to control what each app on your device is allowed to access. First, click the Start button and open the Settings app. From there, click on Privacy and Security in the left sidebar. After that, scroll down to the App Permissions section. At this point, you'll see a list of permissions including camera, microphone, location, contacts, calendar, and more. From here, click on whichever permission you want to manage. Following this, at the top of each permission page, you'll find two toggles. The first one controls whether any app on the device can access that feature at all, and the second lets you manage access on an app-by-app basis. After that, scroll down to see every app that has requested that permission and toggle off any app you don't want having access to it. From here, go back and work through the other permissions the same way. It's worth checking through camera, microphone, and location in particular, since those are the most sensitive ones. At this point, any changes you make take effect immediately, so there's nothing extra to save or confirm. Finally, keep in mind that some apps may not function properly if certain permissions are turned off, so only restrict access for apps where it genuinely isn't needed. That's how you manage app permissions in Windows 11. Found this useful? Drop a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and tap the bell so you never miss an upload. See you then.